Hello friends, welcome to your channel. In this video, we will cover Java Collection Framework hierarchy. Java Collection Framework is made of interfaces and they are implementing classes. At the top of the hierarchy, we have iterable interface. Using iterable interface methods, we could iterate collection of objects. Then we have collection interface. Collection interface extends iterable interface. Collection interface methods are common to the whole collection framework. Then we have list, set and queue interface which extends collection interface. Set do not allow duplicate elements. Queue maintains first in first out order. List allow duplicate elements and maintains the insertion order. ArrayList class implements list interface. We use ArrayList class when in a list our frequent operation is adding and retrieval of elements from the list. Linked list class implements list interface. We use linked list class when in a list our frequent operation is adding and removing elements from the center of the list. Vector class implements list interface. Vector class methods are synchronized. Stack class do not directly implement list interface. Stack class extends vector class. Stack class maintains last in first out order. Priority queue class implements queue interface. In priority queue, there is a default priority based on the natural ordering of the elements. ArrayDQ class implements DQ interface. In ArrayDQ, we could add and remove elements from both the side of the queue. HashSet class implements set interface. HashSet class do not maintain the insertion order. Linked HashSet class implements set interface. Linked HashSet class maintains the insertion order. TreeSet class implements sorted set interface. In TreeSet class, there is a default sorting based on the natural ordering of the elements. We could also customize the sorting. When we want to store elements as key value pairs, then we use map. HashTable class implements map interface. HashTable class is synchronized. Link HashMap class implements map interface. Link HashMap class maintains the insertion order. HashMap class implements map interface. HashMap class do not maintain the insertion order. TreeMap class implements sorted map interface. In TreeMap class, there is a default sorting based on the keys. In the coming videos, we will discuss collection framework classes and interfaces in detail. Thank you for watching this video. I keep uploading videos like this regularly. If you like this video, please subscribe to the channel and like and comment in the video.